my manager at the time, he saw Le Shandis online, but okay, there's this competition, Russian pair. Since that top London, I was always with top 3 up until like top 50, number 1. The prize most was Marco is gonna produce the song. So I got them, okay, we're gonna make a song, we're gonna do this. But when I got there, the energy was different. We didn't even get the attention. So I was like, okay, I do have a machita sekas. I do have a band who take me seriously. A band beaters nice as in Swembo. Because if you realize, Sosha is actually produced by Utes. Utes is from Side C. And that was not the prize. The prize was a song that is produced by Marco. At the time, they figure rap life from that. Now judging by his stories, Pumayos or Kriago rap life, it was already dead as a scat.
Make sure that you subscribe on this channel. It helps a lot. Don't forget to watch the ads. Don't skip the ads, guys. It does something on YouTube too. And also like the video. If you like the video, it's gonna go to more suggestions kwezinye YouTube zabanye bantu. And also please comment what's your favorite episode or what do you see in this platform that you love. And also you can press the join button. You get the badge, you get exclusive content and also members only content.
Iswakalanga neno yangabafuna ukuphoswa yilento usikuphathela okuhle kodwa ngena
Masikwamukele Budere show wena. Kunjani?
Samandleni tayami kuCrane.
Ko right man. Yazi ndifuna senze song. Alifuna siqale ngoNanko. Masiqale ezantsi man lento le. Khawucakisela abantu ungubani qala before ube nguNanko.
uNanko ngu onke noMangola. Onke noMangola. Nzalelwe eKhayelitsha side B. But ikhaya lingapha kuQumbu. Kudlala kuthiwa kuseshukuni. Yabo. Ndithini iqhubekeke still.
Yeah, ha kodwa bengifuna uvakalwa kodwa uzofikelela kule nto benisithi masihuqe siqale pha ezantsi sithi asihuqa ke siqala pha ezantsi uzawusiqala usifake ke ngoku yoba uthile uzofika kule ndawo ba eligama lithi Nanko ulifumana njani waqala wangu sentence life sentence.
Okay.
Yeah, so qala pha.
No ngiyabencinga ba ubuza ba like ndingubani okuzalwa kanjalo.
Yes, ndifumene le.
Ngova still.
Yes. Yeah, asingaqhubeka futhi nokugeza le piece ndiyitshoyo. Ayilahlekanga nawo. Ayilahlekanga nayo. So siqhubeke kuyo sazi ba phambi kokuba ube nguNanko. Ndikubiza kahle Nanko ne?
Yeah.
Nanko kanye Nanko because andiyazi ba Nanko. Yeah.
Like nasmoko no pronounce.
No pronounce. Okay.
As long as ungalibhali wrong.
Ngalibhali wrong. Libeka la omkhulu.
Yeah.
La omncane ayike. Nami lokwenza kwenza sure nathi xa si classgqibile ke si editor senze sure igama silibhala ngokuchanekileyo. Yeah. Masingene pha ku life sentence. U life sentence uyiqale njani lento neligama lithi life sentence ulifumana njani?
Okay, so into enzekayo ndikhula apha endlini yabo dlala umculo time ayithanda udlala iSoul Brothers nemibhaqanga yabo ezimameleliwe izayo. But I remember ndibukele there was this show andikhumbula igama layo but i-music video kaMsawawa mawungakanani nebasithali bona la Shandis and I remember like ndabaseleka tayam. But at the time it was just about Umsawawa, like it had nothing to do with mna okanye ba nandizibona nipha. It was just me like yo say cool because umchita mncane yabo ndibona mna kanibona yena ba man xa kucula umntana means nami ndingayenza moslewe yabo. And then phandle ke ngoku I had a friend kwakuthiwa nguMana uLwando. Umchita he was very good ekulinganiseni ingoma yabo la. He was very good ekulinganiseni ingoma. And then he would linganisa these songs. I remember it was Uzola, it was Eminem, the Westlife. Like he was very good. Like was I think this is the time we around 10, yabo, go age, but he was like he would know the whole song, yabo lawe. And I think lawe yavuselela something yabo yavuselela something. So umchita ngongwaita kwakhe, like in terms of ulinganisa ingoma zabantu wanceda and that discover this thing that I have inside bengayazi yabo lawe. But I remember the song that made me wanna be like a king. Ngayithanda le way. It was Uzola. Nomhle, there was a song Ndiyakuthanda Ntombazana Nomero, that song. Yeah, because that's fine. I mean, like indlela endiyithanda ngayo, but nah, this is not normal. Ndiyithanda le way, like yabo. So what I would do was ndizimince, yabo. Xa ndihleli around I choose silinganise izingoma now senihanga around phaa kuye, yabo. So sidlala lo mculo iWestlife nam ndide ndizazi, yabo, silinganise izingoma, but kwispace sami kanisendlini ndiyazifihla ndibhale ezam ke ngoku, yabo. But kwachoose andiyivezi lewe, yabo, ndiyayihayida because lo mntu ulinganisa zonke izingoma untswembu already. So I don't know, maybe kuba ndandizibalela ndiyazi, but I would hide myself ndibhale eziwe zikaShandisi, eziwe there's songs of mine. Wachoose asifundi scale esi-1, but sikhula sami sihlala esitratweni esi-1, yabo, 2 houses away from Pagom. So into endiyenzayo esigela andiyifihli le Shandisi yami yoba I'm making music, yabo. Kwiitshomi zam ndiyaziveza izingoma zam ndiziminca ngazo, but estratweni ndiyayipayitela le way. We just do what we do, simamele iWestlife noZola and all that. That's how I got into le way yomculo. Xa ndifika eprimary ndinowachoose wam ekuthiwa nguSive. uSive waye ndandisithi xa ndimbethele izingoma zam andibethele ezinye nayo, yabo. But uMeko wayendibethela iingoma zabantu without me bandiyazi, knowing uba okay ikuse ayizo zakhe, yabo. Ndibethele eziwe zam zekwaito, phaa mfethu ndithi phaa mfethu. And umchita he would do ingoma zophizo, yabo. And I could hear uba no man, le way ayenzayo Mek sounds different from le yam, like ndi-interested kuyo because le ayenzayo ine-verses, yabo. Mna like instead of ulinganisa into eyi-1,
Okay, yeah.
yeah, and une-verses. So sahamba isikhathi umchita wade wandivulela uba ayindim mani lo ucula eziwe, yabo. Kukho into ekuthiwa sispaza, yabo. So kukho iway ekuthiwa sispaza and ndabe ndi-interested kanjalo. So wathi uMeki I remember zithi okay fethu eziwe ayizo zam, but ngumculo othile, there's a sound ekuthiwa sispaza. Umntu onayo le way nguNolonzi. uNolonzi yenye sasifunda nayo, uSiyabulela sasifunda naye umchita. So sihlangane because umntu onazo eziwe ichomi kamchita uSiyabulela, yabo. So after scale mele sihlangane for uba sithini ndive eziwe because umchita xa une-computer all that. So I wanted more ukuva eziwe umchita ndenzela ngomlomo, yabo leyo. And then out uhlala ko-TR kwapha e-Side B, mna ndihlala ko-W. So after iskela siyahlangana siwele siphulaphe phaa kuSoul. uSoul nguSiyabulela. Like I was planning uba ndichaze later on lo way, but that's fine. So siphulaphe phaa kumchita and he would play his songs, Backyard. You still remember la era ye-MP3 where everyone had the same songs.
Yes.
Yeah. So Soul had those songs. And then as soon as navala way, I was like, machita singayenza le way. And then we formed our first group, which is Young Sauce. La Sauce SOS, La Sauce wayemele uSiyabulela, no O ka onke, no S ka Sive.
Yeah.
Yabo iweka njalo. But yeah, bon. Sazibiza Young Sauce namashit, and then uSive wayeng EMS uSoul I'm not sure if yamazi from Nonstop.
Yeah. uSoul
Yeah.
noma Saka.
Yeah, so that's the guy. Singene ke gaming kanjalo, and then I remember into funny is that like the way amachitani introduce kuyo, it turned out to be way elapha around the environment yam, but I just didn't know because ndihlala endlini banikhosa endlini ndikulomana simamele ezo songs then bese skela at that age, but ndizoyiva out yami eseskela, and then xa sifuna ungena kule way sizodibana nabapha kuminqini like apha estratweni sam phaa ezantsi phela oTest no Styles no Tasnex, undecided crew at the time no Tasnex, so le ngu-EMS nesibindi mos, so pull up epha ba siyacula bona sishaya thina yabo siyacula, and then amaGrootman asamkele ngendlela, and at the time I think kwakusekho ne-sessions, kwakusekho i-sessions kwakwi-session engasesasazo, between isasazo nesobambisana kwakho i-session eyayisenzeka phaa. Pull up sibanjwe nguTasnex asifakele i-beat, that's how we got into the game, and sadibana ke nabanye abantu oZanzolo Ndlulamthi Kidio, like kwi-event ngoku, so everyone who's making music at the time uzopull up Mike Substance bonke yabo, and then kwakukho kwakishandisa kwakigroup ekuthiwa i-VOE, andiyana bayengumbutho okanye yayi-movement yabo, Voices of Lokishini. So at the time thina sifika seyikhona kubanjwe meeting, so nathi sibe zizilight ezimane ezifakwa phaa yabo, just to ufollowisha uboniswa indlela uba okay yama njani yabo. And then andikhumbuli nini apha eminyakeni, but I'm trying to get to le ndawo yoba how did I get the name Life Sentence. I got the name from uZanzolo because I didn't like the name that I had at Galen. I didn't like it. Nanisibiza Streetwise. Yeah, it was not nice.
Streetwise one.
Bro, that was not nice. Yeah. So because of Utaza waye Grootman sasi respect, because I remember kalanyaka sifika ngayo they released the album eyayisithi unendlebe nje unetyala.
Okay.
Uzwikantu. So it's like, imagine thina sisangena egamini and then kukho abantu abarelease into ezikula level like uRhasatsha. Yabo, so because of i-trust nokumthemba ndamvulela leyo ba ndifuna uba negama ndizama igama but eli-right yabo, so wandinceda kanjalo uGrootman wandilentuza elaa gama lethi Life Sentence. I remember kwakukho nelinye asithi nguNqo, andiyazi noba ndizange ndilithanda okanye whatever, but it was uNqo, and then wandinikela ka Life Sentence uGrootman. Waye-explaina ke because at the time masi utrainwa noba why ungubani, uyabona lawe, so unika ukwazi uziphendulela yabo lawe. And it made sense ngela xesha because he didn't just come up with igama. He was very nice at uzinike ixabiso, like uzinike isikhathi to uba aphande nam, like a research abuze imibuzo uba okay, so ithindo yakho, what's your goal ngomculo, and then kwi-answers zam okanye kwi-information ayifumeneyo yena wafind uba okay, it means le way yakho uplan uyenga for, or like awuplananga uyiyeka anytime soon, this is like ulife wakho osokubona ngayo. So that's why the name Life Sentence, because zobhala like ndanisithi ndigweba uSibe ephepheni bona lawe, so this is like forever, and it turned out to be forever. So that's how I got the name da.
Hayi kaloku sicimba thina mhlawumbe waphuncuka mhlawumbe so uthiwe Life Sentence.
But imagine ngotho wait like nona nangapha.
Hayi kaloku abanye abantu ke baba expose kwezinto
Besebancane.
besebancinci kakhulu mhlambe masingahlali kakhulu since so mention nabantu abaninzi yabo masesingena kwaphaya uPhizo ukhona nye mina ke wathi wayekhe wakunyula ngeyiphi le group okuyo
wazinyula njani funa uva story qala.
I think ngathi wenza iphutha lothi akuthathe ku group awukuyo asebenze nawe ndiyazi ba into igama le crew awukuyo ngokusongo life sentence.
It was Young Sauce, and then from Young Sauce it was Hype House, but the popular one was the Summer Stars.
Yeah, I think it's Summer
Stars.
Stars. I think ngathi wayithetha ngayo engathi kulapho mhlawumbe udibana naye njani because
Uphizo? Okay, uPhizo ndidibana naye ngoku not just mna as a Young Sauce. Sidibana naye I think on one of his sessions zezasenzeka at the time. So ukubonela weka uperformer at the time like wonke umuntu like that thing yoba Phizo on the beat was a thing.
Yeah.
Perform abantu abayi-5 Phizo on the beat, Phizo on bone, it was a thing. So after i-performance yethu uPhizo I think wabamba mic as a stage, and then he was like Zanezeli beat Machita. He offered to do us a song, like, because I think at the time sasebenzisa international beat ngosasicula lawo yethu, so he got on stage but Zanezeli beat Machita, and the first song that we did actually recorded, it was produced by Phizo. So ndimazi kanjalo, but the story okanye the rumor ndiyazi yona.
No,
Like,
there was no like a rumor, like
there's
a bad thing and don't do it.
No, not even like a rumor could be a good thing, but ibe rumor andiyazi yona andiyazi bro, I won't lie.
No, I think into ways.
But I've never worked under yena, or
Under
I've
yena,
never
ne.
been to into ehlanganisane non-stop.
Oh,
That first song, I think later on with the Hype House Namachita, I think we did another beat from here, and then after that it was the Summer Stars. I don't think I recall kukho something esihlanganisayo.
And then after ke ngoku sowusebenzile noPhizo sowungenile ke ngoku lomculo, ikhona i-tape oyikhupileyo ocinga baya kwenzela igama?
So into enzekayo, I only started focusing kunanko, like isolo go 20, like after Summer Stars. So that was like 2012, 13.
Okay.
Yeah, but so before I was always group. Yeah, Young Sauce,
okay.
Hype House, Sound Masters, and then from Sound Masters, that's when I decided, man, share this solo thing.
Oh,
Like-
because kaloku into ebangela uba nditsho uzenzele igama, mhlawumbe uzenzele igama sowungaphakathi egroupini because life sentence waziwe phambi
I
koba.
would say Life Sentence waziwe nge-Sound Masters because even nendlela esigena ngayo Sound Masters as Lamachitas, I think that's by 5. Nosithunywa who also made it to i-Sound Masters. Sasiba 5 ndim usithunywa ngu-X, ngu-EMS, ngu-D. So we pay for a recorder. So bakho studio silapha eKasi, go TT. So we pay kuTapukas for uba sirecord, and then sirekhode le ngoma yethu. Uyayazi mostly uyaseKasi ba you have to ba ingoma ukulinde ubone, and then you're gonna come back later on uzoyicosha maybe, I don't know, after 2 days or so. So xa sibuyayo sizocosha la ngoma sibanjwe nguMadness. Apparently wayethunyelwe nguTapuka, wayibanjwe nguTapuka. They were impressed kule ngoma siyenza as Lamachita 5. they were impressed if yam no neves kastunyo, and they were like telling us about okay, they planning to push Sound Masters crew because the studio was the Sound Masters, SM Records, so they were planning to shoot to push Sound Masters crew, so they wanted me and Ustunyo to join the group, and we did, yeah. So I would say elagama ka life sentence ndilenze kanjalo because I was around Madness. Madness is wayesaziwa at the time, so from your naked mind, so it was like a group ka Madness, so that I feel like that's where sithole chance khona nosithunywa for abantu like basithathe serious, or at least basinike indlebe nathi.
Hayi ke masisa sikhawuleza siye phane kusoko lantuka kunanko because hey unanko igama lakhe esikhomba simazi lo muntu lona sava ngaye kuthiwa 2018 kuthiwa ngibani I am next.
Next competition,
yes.
yeah.
So mhlambe khawutsho ungene phane yangene wayifumana njani, wangenela kanjani? Ewe ndiyabaza abantu ba obu contesta nabo bekuthiwa bayi 400, so wangena njani, wayiva njani?
At the time I was working with Nguni Villas. I'm not sure if you still remember Nguni Villas.
Yeah. I know.
I was working with Nguni Villas. My manager at the time, he saw le Shandis online, but okay, there's this competition. Russian pair, Nancy Piti, Nancy Way, Yamba Ganjalo. I think they were Peter Z3. Tumeli Peter Z3, the website yabo. Download as a beat and then upale for le upale, but I wrote for Z3 just in case because I didn't know the competition is one. So in Wenzagayo, they travel yongi South Africa to look for this next guy yabo. Baye kwezi lot izilapha eKasi, maybe if baze Cape Town babe kwizilot ezintathu, let's say maybe eDelft, eKhayelitsha, naseStrand, yabo. Bahamba nezitrak zine booth, yabo, where you can record your song, and then I think we were like 10 minutes to record on top of enye's beat uzikhethileyo from ezizintathu. So I picked the beat, I picked the beat kaNomis, I picked the beat that I paid, like Trisha. And then it was this Cuts of Water. Dine memory engekho grand in terms of ukhumbula, nothusile kathitha like 4 sithi abantu abayi 400. Ndizama ucinga loyo, I'm like andikhumbule kwaloyo babengaphi.
Yeah, like I think kaloku kuba bekudityaniswa ii-provinces,
Yeah,
that's why
babebaninzi, sure, I know,
400 because it's recorded babayi 400.
Okay. Ingozi follow info. Ingozi follow info. At least now, so flex at defend, be like, yo, sasibai 400.
Yeah.
So yeah, since that top London, bra, since that top London, top 50, top 100, top London, I was always with top 3 up until like top 50, number 1. Ukwehla ezisehla.
Kuvota abantu okanye kuvota bona? Oh, kuvota abantu.
Yeah, kuvota abantu. Vota abantu. I remember kusponsor Onke Nomangola, didn't like that. I'm like, yeah, I hate it when the way like art funeke for market okanye for like where so like why ndingo Onke Nomangola, like I don't have fans as Onke Nomangola, yabo. Ngicenga abantu bavotela Onke Nomangola bangamaziyo, yabo lawe. But they did, and that's how I.
Which is fan base like strong, ne? Like 400, I'm thinking about this 400 people. Yeah.
Sasikhangasa no khangasa, bro. Sasikhangasa. But at the same time, in the intertell is that song was good.
It was good.
Like
I was gonna say
it
now.
Good. Like it got to a level where even though singayazi le combination yamanjani, but at this point nathi singa.
Yeah, sometimes
like we can tell what about okay, kule 10. No one is even close. Kule 5 bona.
Sometimes ziyenzeka into ezolo hlobo unyanisile.
Yeah,
When you're good, like even if ubethwe ngevote, sometimes uyakwazi ubekwe ecala umqondo ubekelwe into ethile
Yeah.
ufonelwe ecala. Okay, continue.
So yenzeka kanjalo ke I think xa we la top 3, that's when like bakubamba esayithini ba yo fethu le way uyibambile khasifakele i-details zakho like ways njenge-address bone so pull up because I think landi ichinja ngonyaka ku-previous year it was the price was to make a song with uQuesta and iproduced nguMako. So ngo-2018 kum it was to make a song with Kid X and then iproduced nguMako. So I had to nibafakele address i-Russian Pet, the Russian Pet team nibafakele address and then pull up to follow your congratulate. So that's how it happened.
How big was it? Because ingathi yayinkulu kakhulu.
Yeah, it was big. It was big, especially for like Elita Sekhailicha. Yeah, it was very big.
Yeah,
it was very big.
And phayana kula competition, what was the prize? Ndiyibonele enye into uba i-mentorship ubuyithola khona.
The prize was to like they tried to balinke i-artist esayilenzile yabo ese famous ese established to i-light could come up yabo lawe i-artist could come up but the prize was to banenza ingoma no Kid X and then i-produced nguMakwa. I think that was the prize. But management, PR, there was nothing like that. I feel like it was Bazai Pusha Bona, that song to help you be discovered maybe Bone. And also you have to understand Kid X was under a Rap Life at the time, so the whole Rap Life is pushing the movement. They would tweet about the way nabo Questa nabo I don't remember not but yeah. So it was huge time.
Okay, zakuyingoma eyi-1. Yes, I thought mina itoba ingoma and then ke ngomhlambi naleyo PR yelo xesha nane management yelo xesha because ndiyakhumbula into yoba lingoma oyikhuphileyo uSosha baqinisekisa into yoba bayayiphusha iyongena kwi-Channel O and then mhlambe ungabalisela abantu mhlambe bekunjani like to see your video like idlala on Channel O yonke land the experience yakho.
The experience yalewe, it was dope bro, but it was like it was not as a band beyicinga like I'm gonna disappoint about it, but it was not like that bro, because you have to understand that by the time kufika competition send the artist now, right? Sending a goals, sending a vision yam bona. I would say they were giving me opportunity for the discovery ngabantu and then the network and then the hlanganiselo line conversate ngokwami because with the Rap Life it was not a Rap Life that made sure buying ngomidlalo MTV based. That was Russian Pay. It was a Russian Pay who were booking and doing all these things for Nalama Chita to pull up girl side. So I would say it was nice stuff, but it didn't really didn't do much for him now. Like it really didn't do much for him. And it's not like a thing where ndihlala kwi meeting ndibuzwe about okay, what do you want, what do you need. It's like if ndithe uzowina ezi chips,
that's it.
Yeah, well, azuba say what if ufuna biscuit when so iwe lo hlobo looking back now la competition realizing oh damn, like ubhukelwa ama-hotel boma 5-star uhanjiswe wenzelezwe, like all that money could have changed the life yami. Well, if ubunondibuza uba what do I need? Like, yo, I don't even like I would choose who like I would choose uba okay ndinikelewe indenzele istudio apha kum ngale mali ngezi expenses zoba undise ngapha nangapha for something ezovele ibe ne bonela we.
Okay. Yo.
But ke abantu they don't really know as competition, and I would say still do like enter competitions as much as you can because they can help, but it's just that at the time I don't feel like I had like a strong team that was ready for iwelo hlobo yabo.
Oh, okay.
Because Russian Pay was ready and okay, they're gonna pay for everything for Bangladesh to push the song.
But
imagine, bro, like I'm around Lamachita, a reply. If I'm around Lamachita and I'm like, any jam is not gonna be the same.
Yes.
Yeah, but if ukono easy, clearly no easy, I'm gonna be able to tell you is by say Tinevas and Ziva Grand. Yeah, but
in studio like no Kid X, it
was dope, bro. It was dope. Kid X is like one of the most humblest basisingesifakalaya ukhulu bro. Uthule bro. His focus is different, bro. It's different. Uthule man, like uthule like akayiyo la uyicingela. Like uthule la uyibona ba okay indalo le unje utawo yabo. But he's very focused. It was dope. We tried to do the song the first time, but it didn't work. It didn't work. It was not a nice
same song. Kanye.
No, thing is, we tried to do a song. Mna cinga olhlobo loba ndilight ihlale ekhaya and then ufumene le competition. Ndiyazazi ndintswembu, ndiyazazi uba leyo ndiyayenza, but now ndifumene opportunity yoba ndiyenze. So naxa ndifika pha, I already know Kid X or Questa, like this star, bro. So I wanted to prove myself. Mna didn't go there ndinengoma prepared. Yeah, well, the prize most was Marco is gonna produce the song. Yeah, well, so I got them ndinalandu ba okay, we're gonna make a song, we're gonna do this. But when I got there, the energy was different. Yeah, well, we didn't even get the attention. Yeah, well. So I was like, okay, I do have a machita sekas. I do have a band who take me seriously. Abantu abanebeats nice as in swim. So what I did was ndabamba Kid X ba yo ndithethile nabantu base-Russia base-Russia abantu be-Russian Pay, they willing to book his studio up at Cape Town. Is it fine if I do this song kanje and then usithande ngosend verse? Because I was not happy with what we did no Makwa. Because if you realize Usosha is actually produced by Udays is from Side C, and that was not the prize. The prize was a song that is produced by Makwa. So because more than anything, if fear was to disappoint abantu, tayambona la I'm like, yo, abantu they know me now, ngizathi ngoku ndinengoma engekho grand.
And wayivumela loo nto le?
Zandiyivumela.
Anditsho yena wayivumela uba uyirecording ngapha and then athumele verse.
Umakwa?
Anditsho Kid X.
Kid X didn't have a problem with that.
And then ke ngoku umakwa yena?
Kaloku umakwa is under a rap life, so at the time he was forced now, but like I was not happy now. I'm a nobody, but I'm not happy. And then now I'm like, nah man, like and I feel bad tatwanga serious up. So even if namhlawumbi ngokwe ego yakhe, he was like, nah, angizotshalwa ile ntwana or whatever. But he's still under a rap life as a Pinimbambo ba yo. We had a deal with the Russian Pay, like company so bamhlalisa ba makanibambe to convince me uba senzele we yabo. But at the time nansendi grand with la way one convince nje uba at least can he record the song, can I come back to a Joburg to record the song Yeah, but at least because at the time send grind, it's like bro, like like damn, anzu work harder for the way, and then one pick up a go like you're not even like an comedy basically, like you're not even playing a beat to with desktop, and I'm like I respect you, bro, like and this apa ngalawe back say, but I can figure out it's like and spit like never even Barcelona songs like. Yeah, well, so I was like, nah, I'm not happy with the song. Let me just use any beat because Usosha is actually a beat that I be solo denial, by Daisy. So I decided, okay, let me make a song on one of the beats that I have, and then the Tumelele X. But then Rap Life gave Magwa the business, so he had to and Bambe and convince me, but ufuna uba involved naye kwingoma, so can I at least phinde ndize Joburg ayirekhode ngokwakhe for iways njalo, and then we did, and then yeah, that was
and
it.
then waba happy ke ngoku after ni kwesibini ke ngoku
Mna
siba
it was like it was not a matter of ba
Because
umjita
i-beat
ufuna
yakho-
ndenza happy, bro. It was a matter of ba oboss bakhe bathethe naye
Isibani.
bamxelele ba ekuse wena lo line wenzile yayinguwe lo, so ke ngoku zithobe, yabo. Nokuzithoba kwakhe ayikho ukuzithoba kuba uyazithoba, but it's just that it's part of business yakhe, yabo. So iwe njalo. But Usosha is very dope, but I don't really want to get into politics, bro. But if you go listen to Usosha and listen to Paraffin or any other song, you would hear ezisizenzele ngokwethu zikwi-volume higher than Usosha. So meaning Usosha, he's still wayinibambile nobandana inhliziyo whatsoever. Still, he still made sure ba
yeah
ayinguye 100. But yazi into nice about being good is that as always uyesazi sodwa abantu they hear a song and they proud bona ba yo ibulele le wena ubuyazi ba yo le ngoma it could have been.
I remember ngoku besandofika noluya so khange ndibe na chance yoba ndibike ndiyidla benifuna uyidlala ndithi hey Usosha ngifuna umdlalo abe sithi kum yongani basiba hey I feel like abazange bamrekhode kahle azange bakurekhode kahle wena but eka Kid X ngathi yona yamixwa masterishwa kahle iverse but eyakho ndifuna uyidlala but khange ndibe sayidlala mhlawumbe zaphinda ndini nangu
Okay.
So ndaqonda khenza ke ndiyimamela ndifuna uyiva kaloku ndayigqibela kudala lo ngoma le
i-vocals andifuna ukuxoka i-vocals ndaba happy, but it's like the beat, because if you understand one thing, le beat yenziwe nguDaisy. Le beat siyayazi original beat, siyayazi volume yayo leyo, siyayazi ibikhala njani, and now yayiva ba
iridiwewe
no, I had to ndiye separate so that I mix it and master the whole song. He only added 808 if you listen to that beat, the original beat. The only thing being a kopangla 808, so that's what he did. And then like if I would play you the original beat kasosho ungawuva umahluko ba na
this is
abenibambe ngenhliziyo or something. But ke zizenzeka.
Wow, yes uncedile, yazi uncedile uyicacise lonto le because nahambe ndinayo into endithi I wonder inoba kwenzeka ntoni bonango xa ewine i-competition enkulu kangaka avele nje kube kanye e-TV-ni mhlambe kuphinde kuthi cwaka emva kwako inoba mhlambe la PR kanye la management wayifumene kanye la mali zange isebenzise kahle.
Hey man,
Kaloku xa ukawina i-competition kuba kho laa nto ukuthi siyicingela into ba uba bekukho imali, so abantu xa ukho abantu abanjengawo abayaziyo uyakwazi uyicacisa. So
iwe yilaa nto yoba ngezi sikhathi i-team yami as I said engekho fit, ukuba nika kwenzeka iwe sometimes uyakwazi usipana nabantu and then nifuniwe but anifuni ngohlobo elifanayo okanye anifuni ngokwezinga elifanayo, yabo. Mna I'm going hard kule way and then kwenzeka into enkulu ke ngoku, yabo. Wena ubungayijonganga ngoku maybe, yabo. So kwakwenzeka iwe njalo, it's like uzothini.
Yeah.
Because bengekho suppose la way depende ku Russian pair. Yabo, it's like xa umuntu engena apha with i-team yakhe umtreata differently because awuzukwazi nomkhayela because nazi izitsotsi zihlelele kula khona ziyazihlekela yazibona uba zizizo they're not trying to ba zizocenga wena but if uyedwa laa mntu it's gonna be different. Yabo, it's gonna be different. And now xa ndijonga kula way looking back it's like at the time ndifika Rap Life mna now judging by his stories phumayo zokuqheka kwe-Rap Life, it was already dead esasikhathi. It was already dying
2018
ngesasikhathi, yabo, because esasikhathi no X, the Kid X, esasikhathi kamntana omuntu already lasasa wezangxabano zazisenzeka but it's just that babeziquma, yabo. So I think it was the timing ingekho grand, bro. It was the timing ingekho grand.
at Joburg uye wahlala pha?
Not for isikhathi eside, not for isikhathi.
Ubusenzana hleli wenzana?
Beniphula apha for MTV base interview. We're doing a shoot kaSosha. There's like an event, like bensiya ngiphinde like if there's a booking or if there's something enzekayo performance bensiya kanje. Like I wouldn't say benkhe ndahlala ba okay nazi address enandihlala kuyo na.
Hayi, okay. Kodwa ke ikuncedile yona, ikhona into eyenzileyo
Incedile for sure.
Yeah, because andifuna ugqoka kwa igama elithi Nango siqale ubomba yes siyalazi ke ngoku eligama uyaqonda.
Okay.
Yeah, ngalihloka abe kusithiwa hayi man Nango uyamazi uba ngu live send. Uyaqonda ngasabantu abaculayo kudala kwispaza ubusiva umculo wakhe ungamazi ebusweni because izinto ze-visuals ze-interviews into yes into ezinjalo. So xa uthi umbone ke ngumuntu vele othuke hayi bo nguye kanti
Uye lo engeke ngunalento etshintsha igama but if ubumlandela uLife Sentence even kwa eligama kaNango lalikhona even at the time but lalispana as like an ad-lib whenever kuzongena iverse yami Nanko, yabo, but because of uhamba kwezikhathi no realize ba actually the brand le way ka Life Sentence even if umuntu makakusearch kuvela i-cases kwa ku-YouTube uzamatyala abantu.
Yeah, I saw that. I tried to check again like Life Sentence.
Omnye umuntu uzothi Life Science yayibona
yeah kubanzima ukukhangela.
And then I figured ba okay Nango is more easy and
yeah it's more easy and I'm taking to check up and abona but yeah
and then u representa mna yena uNango. This is like me now ndikhulile and seyo la light yayicela utaza like uzanzolo ba ndifuna ba negama now nami ndifila ngathi ndikhule uba ndizifigurish ba sithini style sam which direction I want to take bon. So
yeah
that's why Nango nje.
And get it and nami ndiyaqala nga ukubona sake ndadibana nawe
ngaphambi bensitsho ku ease ba ekuse feel ngathi kudala sazana eziminyaka but
yeah,
I don't think sakhe sadibana okanye kulibala kuma
nakwiphi
first time.
Yeah,
but especially when feel ngathi ndiyakwazi because bes communicate more.
So yeah ndenjalo but ke mhlambe ke bayawuthona abanye abantu mhlambe kwi-comments nanoni bathi zikhona mhlambe into endizishiyileyo mhlambe sawuva ngabo mhlambe usazawubuya kamandi ikhona i-album into busy ozasichazela yona phambi koba sivale kodwa make sike singene kulaa ndawo ithi udibana njani nokulimala kwenzeke njani? Yazi
bani kumntu onjani. It's like xa uthethezwe ithuna ithi qatha ekuseka nene ndilimele. Exeta iweza sekasi manta bobo stoti baselokishini bra. Zezwe solo kwesiva ngazo ubonto side B uba ngumfana hlala endlini kuke itrans ehamba edubula abantu okanye kutheni ziwe it's like it's a story similar to past like akho deeper meaning ba sasithe sathi kwathi yabo. It was just one of those Saturdays sichilekisele ne-out yam usenzo and then kulate ke ngoku siphula apha pha kum kol side mhlala ko W mhlala ko X siphula apha siyozijonga into etyiwayo and then siyifumane, and then ke ngoku mna ndipusha yena back to go-X. Uba yintoni yandifikisa ko-X andiyazi ta yabo. And then xa sifika ko-X kukho lo mntana imeti, I think uhlala engingqinga Senzo yamazi, so andiyalo mntana utsalatsalwa ngumntu, and then uSenzo usabela le way uba kwenzeka ntoni, qaba lo mntana uzocheckwa ile out yakhe, and then liphara lasekasi kuba nelaa way amachita angafuni uba jola namachero ekasi yam, no, like ziyakutraumatize, ziyakuhlukumeza whenever uzocheck. Yeah, I think it was one of those, yabo. But ke ngoku caba le out izochecka lo mntana imkile ke ngoku iyolanda lo mntu ithembele ngayo, and then thina ke ngoku sifika ngesi sikhathi le out iyolanda lo mntu ithembele ngayo, yabo la way. So mna I'm just standing there waiting for Senzo uba agqibele way uattenda le way yenzekayo, yabo. And then it was just iway enjalo.
Lo mfana lona ko beyothathwa nguye lo.
Lo theni, yeah, lo caba kuthenjile ngayo.
Oh,
Yeah.
khangabe sabuza niks.
Yeah, but he was very close, bro. Like he was very close.
Close
The only
range.
thing the only thing we had was like at that moment there's nothing you really can do, yabo. Maybe kulala phansi okanye ngibona. So lala phansi uSenzo nale mate. Mna bacinga ndilele phansi nam njengabo. They don't know that in the khaniwe, yabo. Bona bazova ngam sensithi Senzo khawubamba usibu ikhona enye ichomi yami ehlala kufitshane kla black okusenzeka la way. So I was very quick because bona banalawe ba ubamba usibu for ntoni, yabo, for itrans for band so siyabo. So bayathuka kanjalo, and then naye wabehlala kufitshane wakhawuleza, yabo. So ibenjalo, bro.
Bona zange le chap yadubula right wena okanye yadubula umuntu opha.
Yayidubula le out yayingapha kwethu.
Oh,
yabo.
Okay.
Yabo, umjita kuthiwa watsho noba askisi bafethu andidubuli nini, yabo. But I don't know, maybe naye wayengayazi uba unchanile, but kuthiwa watsho umjita uba sanowara bafethu andibethi nini. Ilokishi, bro, indawo esihlala kuzo. It could be like that.
And that
happens just like that.
And uhlale kangakanani esibhedlela uphume nini?
For about a year, bro. It was bad. It was bad, bro. Like it was very bad. I couldn't even talk. Talk, bro. Like I was unborn. It's like if ndiyancokola now, I could see like inyembezi apha kuwe. I'm like, okay, this shit is bad. Nexa ndibukele wena like une glasses, yabona. It was bad, bro. But I survived. I'm lucky to be here, bro. I'm grateful to be here, bro.
You are wow. And I'm sure Lando Lena changed a lot of things.
Yeah, bro. It changes everything, bro. It changes everything. It changes even the person you are. You can't be the same person after you enter. You can't be the same person after you enter. But I'm grateful for Mngculo, bro, because it's the only thing endenza nangoku ba ndilibala ba excited. Yeah, because that fire ongaphakathi kum is still there, and it was still there. I think yiyo nayaniphakamisa abantu isifeel ba damn the grand, yeah. And I think mna I feed myself off ukudelelwa okanye ukuthathwa kancane okanye ukozelelwa, yeah, understand. And then now ubomi bundibeka ku situation where everyone is looking at you like it's done. Like that's just the reality, bro. Xa ubona umuntu kwi-wheelchair ngasomncede okanye uyamsiza. It's not even something oyenza ngokwakho, but iyazenzekela, yabo. So nakwabantwini abangakufiliyo ke it happens like that, yabo. They overlook you and then now you're a rapper, yabo la. So lamlilo uyandinceda mna because I'm like, bro, do you know who I am? Like uyandazi, bro. Do you, like andaba ndingozi kangakanani. So the fact that yantelela, please ntelela, I need that bro. And so yeah, shout out to Mngculo bro, shout out to Mngculo for
because your
for
voice
saving us.
yonke
For saving us.
indlela obhala ngayo is still there. Mhlawumbe ayitshintshanga indlela le okukulimala indlela yobhalo awunayo ngoba lokho mhlawumbe i-rappers ziyathanda nazo mhlawumbe ubhala angeze ngayo life challenge struggles nento ezithile akhona indlela etshintshileyo ngokindlela obhala ngayo after yonke le nto yenzekayo.
I would say like ngikhulile in terms of as an artist, I would say ngikhulile because kule 4 years inhleliyo. The last time I released umculo it was 2021. So kule 4 years inhleliyo ndibukele ndijongile ndiyafunda yonke la way, and I'm listening to music, I'm studying yabo la way. They're trainer basically angihlelanga nje, so I would say ndikhulile. I don't know how to answer but bhala differently. Thing is i-target yam is always like how do I make sure but I sound good, because from ispaza I felt like la way yokwazi ubhala sayifikarisha out kudala, but into esibethayo we don't know how to sound good. Like ukubona la way ibe mandi even before you hear uba ithini. And that has always been like a goal. I mean, I feel like slowly I'm mastering that, because now even when I talk about the situation, I talk about it in a cool way. Pull up in a trap like Caesar. That's just the reality, bro. That drop you wheelchair. And the reality wheelchair you do need help. But I'm like saying it in a cool way. So I would say nanso the aim yam now is to sound good, whether it's story si sad or si traumatizer or si good, but just make sure that they execute every time now, but it has to be proper, bro.
And Caesar is the lead for your upcoming album, right?
Yeah.
Tell me, what does Caesar mean?
Caesar. So, Caesar, the artist, R&B singer.
Oh,
do you know Caesar? Yeah.
Okay. Hey.
Yeah, and Ngoku Caesar is signed under Top Dog Entertainment. So that's why I'm saying pull up in a trap like Caesar. They want me back on top like Caesar because of Andy TDE. So if you've listened to the album of so look on this challenge as a besicho what shows but nesbind. So look on this challenge, like I will always go for it titles as okwenza umuntu ajongiwe and be like up until I go for play, like I would take iwe kona, like umzekelo I could have said bomb or whatever, something eyoyikisayo, but I chose Paraffin elagama is like liswaka up until you go for play. So I've always been that person, but there's challenge. I want even quite titles to be a certain way. So that's why I had to go with Caesar, but I had to add like the extra Z, because on the song I'm also talking about my late brother Uzin. So the Lazet Westbean is like to represent Uzin.
Athi akudlalwa apha kuyathungwa nyana apha kuyathungwa nyana.
So yeah, ngalo line time.
Okay, but mhlambe why you choose yena usiza abe intro yele project yakho?
Because anzu actor ngathi akwenzekanga nto, bro. Like I don't actor ngathi being shot uba wheelchair is it's nothing. As much as ndingu life sentence ndingu nanko ndibone lawe anzu actor ngathi yompini na yabo. So Caesar, I felt like it's the first song ebalanceayo because abantu banewari be like yo usacula yo engasibone lawe. So I didn't want to come off sad. Kwana lawe andifuna abantu bandisizele. If yamamela the previous song Ukoko, I said there pull up in your crib like Coco. And when I started do Parafini, it was they start pull up with your dogs, club. Yeah, well, I mean, I knew I still want to pull up, but go, how do I pull up? Like this is too late. And then I decided, but nah, man, like man, villain, be honest, pull up in a trap like sis. Yeah, well, and then from there, once you get to start, kuba easier uchacha dula and and say what you wanna say. So I felt like Usiza was like a perfect song because it doesn't really get into details of kwenzeke intoni, why you lapha ngoku yabo. I felt like it's just like ndiyabulisa about okay, hi, awungabe unjani yabo. It's more like umholo yabo. You're gonna get ezinto ozibuza zona kwezinye ingoma ezilandelayo, which is kwi-album. There are songs as personal, there are songs as ezithethayo about how I felt at the time I was kule situation, because nale way process most nozamkela kule way bakhona isikhathi nomsindo. And also funeka understand one thing ba ayindim ndedwa okule wheelchair, abantu around him nabakwi-wheelchair, abantu abathandana nami bakwi-wheelchair, you understand, baninzi abantu efuneka ulife atshintshe for bona. So the album is basically about life now that ndilapha kule kwasisitulo, like how's life now.
Yeah. And before we move to Nansik, and mhlambe kuba usacacisa futhi lento ka life no abanye abantu obuphila nabo base close kuwe kanye mhlambe baye bazibhekelisa emva kokwenzeka ke lento, mhlambe your friends
bazibhekelisa
umuntu wakho nenye into
bayabazibhekelisa, bro. It's crazy, bro. It takes you a saw to see who's really for you. And I'm talking aba bantu ngabantu who were like ngenza noma yini fethu for wena. Yeah, well, it's like, but now looking back I realize but no, aba bantu bebengekho kum, but bakulento nikwazi uyenza. Yeah, I understand, which is zonke izinto bebe willing for, it was not for mna, it was just for the rapper. Yeah, I understand. But the dopest thing about yonke le way is that akuphunguleka abathile, like you also get to see abantu bakho, like who's really there for you and who's really your people, yabo lawe. So ngilola inonjalo. So I don't like, it's not like I'm mad or anything like that, because incedile, bro, because now we're reaching iwe esingazange sazireacha ngesasikhathi besine team. Because izenzela ngokwethu and it's happening and it's moving ngendlela, and we've had the ups, we've had the downs, sifundile
and you funding yourself clear project busy with the album.
And evachi
and you are funding yourself the album.
Yeah, everything siyenza ngokwethu, bro. Like there's no like team behind us or everything sifikarisha out ngokwethu. And it's fun because this time ndispana nabantu endibaziyo bafuna le way ndifunayo. Yabo bayifuna as much. It's not a matter of ukubana lawe process suka kuwe esisokolisileyo, bro, ezinzima. Ukubana lawe nispane nomuntu, but whenever you win ngathi amokhela be like yo ngathi uwina kakhulu. Whereas bro, it's like ulapha icangwami dog, like everything endiyifumana siyifumana soyi-2. Yabo siye Jozi soyi-2. If ufuna ungena kwesa stage ungangena nami kwesa stage, but instead umuntu angaboni lo way abe nomona and act like uyam-owa because nguwo wami intro bona ezawe suka kuwezi
ndiyabaza abantu banjani
ezingekho grand, bro, but we here. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, hey, hayi yona nyanke lento ithethayo ndiba nawo ndiyayifila lento ithethayo baxa uthe waba kwesisimo ukuso ngoku kuba njani.
Yeah, it changes everything
because ndiyakwazi ndayazi lonto leyo ulimala nothini ubabona abantu abathile, because nami lake ndalimala emlenzeni and I thought bandi nophinda ndihambe. I saw people laba ababe actor njani.
Bhekelwa same time.
Unqatyelwa nje unophathelwa amanzi nje lapha kufitshane ekhoyo.
Because they think you done. That's the thing. I-mentality yabo baxelela uba you done. Yabo so banjalo. But I think la way it's not even a matter of uba mhlawumbi I think umona time. I think umona because
they are waiting for you uba ube phansi.
Yeah, I think umona because not just the aba bavele bavaya when I got shot and bese sibangaveli. Not just one. They were actually the ones. I'm talking even rap game. Like abantu would like say izinto zoba, yo, I'm glad that usindile brother. We appreciate you in the modlale game in kanje na kanje. Can't wait till you get back. Usenza umculo. Please keep doing what you do. Uyazazi as bitch. And then now Caesar is out.
Yeah, they
the same people bakhuqinyango phina wabuya lamona umntu ebenayo ta like bro like even ngoku into oliyoyikayo ingaka ubona like it's easier for me to share ways out but they would never share some because yeah
you'll come back
I know but it's fine though it's fine but it's just that into entswembi is that being able ba uyibone le wembe like okay, you didn't even mean the way we said. Because abanye kaloku kala kwapha because remember ngoba ndikuphendula masinthe I was in hospital for about so abantu is like fethu ndizawuvela fethu zezazazela fethu ndizawuvela up until uphinde ubuya phinde athi umntu ekuse ndivile wethi ngathi zakhe ndikubamba say ngasukhuphe ukhuphe Naga ukupile still. It's the same thing. Umntu buya lamona wayenayo for life sentence la fiye wayenayo phindi buye. But it's fine. It's fine. Dog.
Hey,
it's fine. Asikhangeli wena anyway.
Now uyathanda ubaleka ke now.
Yeah.
But lo way nalo unaye ngela that time wabaleka naye. Wesifazana. Hey.
Bro, I don't want to get into it.
No,
It complicated. But there are songs though ezingena personal.
Ezakucacisana
about iways njalo.
Hayi ke masi le album lena kuyathi uzafuneka sikhawuleze siyifumane ngokukhawuleza le. Ingathi incwadi yakho ibhaliwe kule album le esenye singayaziyo esingayivanga.
It's very nice, bro. And ke ngoku into nice ngayo is that it's like it's a story sesenyani like the proof yayibona.
Yeah, it's a proof
it's a proof. It's not like I made something up yabo.
Yeah, no, izinto masiyenze ngoku manje ukukhulule man yabo. And then siphinde mhlambe ke xa ialbum iphumile sibone ba mhlambe singenza ntoni na. Ngoba sesivile intro yakhona seyisibonisile ba silindele ukutya okutyebileyo apha kube kudala kulinywa.
For sure. Abantu, they should just keep on streaming the song. It's available on all streaming platforms. Caesar, Nango featuring Tina Ashe. It's dope. Azusola. Just help us push the song so that uzotola more and more. So I appreciate everyone who's been like taking part even because we just did the open verse challenge and rappers are pulling through. Ingabe ngathi focus only with negative, like they're pulling through, bro. Like snipe beat and then I'm just waiting for videos. And then to everyone who's been supporting me for yonke le minyaka, to everyone who's been waiting and asking like say ubuyani, this is the time. Just make sure to be there and check on all social media Nango Spangen. Yeah man.
Masivale ngento eyi-1. Masivale ngosiza khasibethele nje ni acapella yakhe siphume.
Okay, ndikufakele invoice.
Yeah.
Look, pull up in a drop like Caesar. They want me back on top like Caesar. Ngibone njengombali by cheese, but ayibali by cheese, bawuzunibamba cheese. Elevate undanga sindize. Sihlabelele number siphile. Vele kwazi bampi, so it's tough like this, hold it down like this, gonna squat like boniswa ngemali like still gotta be fine like somelen pimpela me fall like kibelano line love, pikelano blank out, pipe ya me plampa, pipe ya me gas how, gite ya me gas now. wena unspitela ngetasta ayisana uzivimbelana ikhazi isikase kanja uthwasa khazi umbheke ngathi ampasi ngishisa nakwi-pass varate can't flex ngoba ngiswag today can't rest gotta start today can't tholakala still ngisenzi for days I'm up paying a way to bring me down boy not today if not for you for me and zing makufika isikhathi to pray we say
Yeah.
let's go
Damn it. Yo. I must put kanje singayimoshi. Yeah. Because people needs to study you. Thank you, Budiri.
tangu
With the way never ends. It's inspirational, yeah. Educational, conversational, yeah.